Sorry
Hello,
to
hello.
disturb you.
Hi,
This is
hi,
from
hi.
Hyderabad Vijaya
Hi.
guys.
Yeah, tell me.
So just before I have visited your office, like I have a conversation with your managing director.
Okay.
So just want to more about your consultancy.
Okay, so for a start, I would like to tell you that we process for 29 countries, okay, all over the world, okay, and we have representations of lot of very big universities and top-ranked universities. You can see George Mason University, Oregon State University, and we have AUT University from New Zealand also. So we have top-ranked universities, and on this side you can see that we have certifications to each of the country that we represent. Like you can see that we represent AIRC, we have Australia, we are uni agents, and we have Education UK and Ireland also. So all these certifications are very important for a student if he wants to go legally to any country to migrate for education. Yeah? And we have tied up with more than 650 plus universities, and we have counseled around 50,000, and we have sent around 15,000 students have been recruited internationally.
Wow, that's a great record actually.
And also other than like you can see that other consultancies don't provide any of the one-on-one coaching or personalized coaching, but then we do that here. You can see that here we provide personalized coaching to each of the students. Okay. So that they get the IELTS score that they require and they go to the dream university of theirs. And we follow a very long procedure for a student. Yeah, and a standardized procedure for the student. So we have our process team here. Okay, this is our processing team. Okay, and these people take care of the student of each of the documentation, visa process, and all the documentation thing that is required for a student. Yeah, and we prepare timeline for the student. We provide universities that they want to go for, whichever universities. We do a lot of research that is required because it is up to students' career. It is not the students' career shouldn't depend on the universities that we are tied up with. So that is the main intention that we have. And we have our MD, and this is our conference room. Okay. And this is our MD here.
Hi, hello.
Yeah.
Hello sir. I had a convo with him.
Okay, you've already had a conversation.
Yes.
Okay, not a problem.
Nice to meet you again.
So
sir.
basically we do all the process here. We carry out even loan process here. We also have a research team which I want to show you. Yeah, this is our research team. Yeah. So we do all the research here irrespective of the students. This thing we do, we find part-time jobs, accommodation, loan process, and everything. So our loan process we do it here. So end-to-end counseling and application procedure happens here. So this is our accounts team who takes care of the loan processing of each of the students. Okay. So we provide loan facilities also here. So for a student, it is a one-stop solution, our particular consultancy, because we provide end-to-end services to the student, and from the counseling till the time pre-departure session, we give all the feedback to the student, and we provide step-by-step process to each of the students.
Okay, generally if the students walk in, no need to wander here and there.
Yeah, basically they don't have to go here and there because see, even when you for the banks also we have education loan that we provide. So we have a ELAN education loan process that we do the process for the students. So we have tied up with more than 8 to 10 national banks and also private banks. So once the student fills out the form here in the consultancy, we make sure that we send these forms to all the banks, and then they let the student know on how much the loan is granted and for what interest rate, and the student can choose accordingly. And so we have for the health insurance, for the medical this thing and everything, we also have lot of companies that we have tied up with, so the student doesn't have to go anywhere, but then once he comes to our consultancy, then everything will be done from the A till the Z.
Okay, so generally students come with a confused mind, what to do, where to go, because they are not aware of anything.
Yes.
How you will how you will assist such kind of students?
So that's why you see, the people don't know that there are a lot of opportunities around the world. There is globalization happening, and you have ample of opportunities not just in US, Canada and Australia. There are number of other countries which provide the same type of education with the same research facilities at a very low cost also. So the students, because of the lack of knowledge also, students tend to understand the options that are available. So we do profile to profile basis. Okay, each profile we treat it as a different entity, and then we suggest options not just for a country, but we suggest for the places that they want to go for also.
So, like your MD said that application assistance and the counseling shortlisting. May I know regarding that? What is it?
Yeah, so basically when the shortlisting happens for the universities, we don't concentrate only on the tie-ups like I've already told you, but we also have a search and selection process wherein each profile is handled, and if the student wants to go, let's say, to USA, irrespective of the tie-ups that we have, we research about the student's profile and the course that he wants to go for. He can choose from 50,000 plus courses that are there. So we search for the courses that he can get into, and we do the selection process of the universities that he is capable of. So these are the classrooms that we have. You can take a look at our classrooms. Basically, we have made sure that we provide each of the student particular coaching that is required. Okay, you can take a look at the classrooms. We have smart classrooms here. If the student needs this particular thing, we have a projector, and we have tutors also, very experienced tutors who are British Council certified tutors. Okay, so they get good coaching here, and we also have a seminar hall like I have said. So we conduct a lot of seminars here wherein it can help the students' application days,